Good morning, everyone. Lately, we've been having a lot of customers call in saying they got a broken torsion spring on their garage door. Just want to let you know we're here to help you with that. We can take care of that for you. If you're heading off to work and door won't open, more than likely that's what you have, a broken torsion spring. So to find that out, just go out in your garage and check above your garage door on a shaft in the middle of the garage door. You'll see coils going across there, and if you see a separation in the coils, 3 or 4 inches, that's what you have, a broken torsion spring. So them coils should be tight all the way across. So if they are, then it's possibly in the opener, another problem you have there. So, but we can help you out with that also. So just want to let you know we're here to help. Just give us a call and we'll get that taken care of for you. Thanks and have a great day.